Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. Today, we've got another unboxing from Amazon. So, before I get started, I do want to say thank you to all the channel members. I want to say thank you for anyone who takes the time to subscribe. And I want to say thank you for just anybody who takes the time to watch. I appreciate you all. And today, what I have done is, once again, I was browsing the bowels of Amazon, looking at EDC Fixed Blades, and came across this knife that I thought we would check out. It was very inexpensive. I think it was 20 bucks, $19.99, something like that. And it's a little mossy oak knife that, as you can tell by the box, it looks kind of like my jam. A little 7-inch knife, G10 handle. G10 handle. I forgot what the blade steel was. We'll see if it tells us in there. Put my little Amazon unboxing knife away too soon. So that's what we got here, kids. Again, I'm always kind of fascinated to see what you can find on the Amazons. So here's our little Wharncliffe knife. And it's got something in here. Some instructions on how to open the belt clip. How to clean your blade. Doesn't tell us the blade steel. I'll have to get that on the Amazon listing. Or maybe it's on the blade, we'll see. So anyway, yeah, this is a mossy oak, 7.5-inch fixed blade knife with sheath. And the first thing is the lanyards that they make over in wherever these are made are just wonky. I just don't get it. That thing is long. You could use it as a whip. I guess in a survival situation, you could use it to make a freaking tarp or something. I mean, look at that thing. Make a bracelet. There you go. A cool paracord bracelet comes with the knife. So it's a knife and a paracord bracelet. Get rid of that. You got this big ass tech lock, which I won't be using. Kayak sheath, pretty basic, but the retention's good. Sandvik 14C 28N. Mossy oak. It has some kind of blade finish on it. Interesting handle. I mean, I can definitely comfortable. Let's see if it cuts. You can feel that back in your hand. Again, it's nothing major. It's just something I can feel, but not bad. Let's see. Get some paper here. I'm kind of digging the look of it, guys. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be, but that's cool. Very sharp, guys. Pretty therapeutically slicey. Yes, I'm very impressed with the edge. It's a flat grind. Full tang. Removable scales. Nice Wharncliffe blade. It's a heavier knife. When I say heavy, you can feel it. Feels, substantial. Very pokey tip. And again, this is just an unboxing, guys. But this is, to say the least, worth 20 bucks, in my opinion. Again, I've got to go out and use it, stick it in a few logs, chop a few things, cut some cardboard with it. put an edge on it after I see how long the edge lasts. You know, it doesn't have a slicey grind on it, but it's definitely sharp. Thick, but sharp. So yeah, guys, I am, my initial impression, which is, that's all it is an initial impression, seeing as I just unboxed it, is pretty positive. Wasn't expecting the packaging to be substantial with a picture on it. Looked like it took some time to make. And wasn't expecting it to be as sharp. The handle's a little funky. I'll have to figure out what's going on there. For some reason, I'm feeling that handle when I really death grip it, which is understandable. I mean, it's not uncomfortable, but it's a nice package. For I think we said, what was it, 7.5 inches? Yeah, 7.5 inch knife, roughly 3.5 inch blade, right over 3.25 inch cutting area. Yeah, guys, so this is the Mossy Oak. I guess it's just called Fixed Blade knife with sheath and G10 handle, 7.5 inches. I will leave a link if there's still some on Amazon to where I picked this up. Just came in and I wanted to share it with you guys so y'all can take a look at it, see what you think. Short video, I know, but it is an unboxing of a cool, inexpensive knife. And you see this little indentation in the G10 here? I think that's solely for the retention in the sheath, which works very well. There's no play in that Kydex sheath. You don't hear any rattle at all. And then you've got this thumb point where the knife comes right out of the sheath. So that's done good. Not crazy about the wacky lanyards that are tied so loose that, I mean, I can't imagine how much time that took for somebody to do and just throw on there, and why. But anyway, guys, this is, again, Javon. Thanks for stopping by. Do me a favor. If you're so inclined, thumbs up or thumbs down. Hit that subscribe button. But please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.